Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with ScrappyShak, and please forgive me, I am running a little bit behind on this month's box videos. I am so sorry. It's been one of them crazy months. We had our Spring Forward retreat, which was amazing. Oh my gosh, we had the best time. And if you have never been to a ScrappyShak retreat, you're really missing out. We're just super excited, and this is what we love. We love to put the retreats on and to meet all of you crafty family. So guys, I am super excited. So this is going to be March's subscription box, and what I did was, when you first open the box, you will have a card that will have a QR code that you can go to the instructions, that come in the box. You can print them, or you can just look at them on your computer or whatever and follow along. But March's box is called Bon Voyage. And you know what that means? That means travel, which that's what we all love to do. We love to go and we love to see new things. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and see what awesome, I can't even think today. It's Saturday. Awesome cards and projects we're going to be creating. So here is the first one we're going to create, and it's called Bicycle Card. Super cute. Project number 2 is going to be Folded Card. Super fun, something different. And then there's the instructions to that. Oh, love this. This is called Travel Card. And this one is a travel journal cover. Super fun. And then, so there is the instructions on that. And then, of course, there's always some extra inspiration for what's in the kit. And then on the back page, it tells you the related products that we've used, our favorite essentials. You do get a 15% off of related products and essentials. And guys, if you've never joined us on our Saturday morning live, where we go over all of our latest arrivals and all of our new products and demos, you're missing out. So it's on Facebook, YouTube, and then on my YouTube channel, ScrappyShak, and then Crafting with Fury. You can see all the latest products, and sometimes you get sneak peeks, and there's a lot of coupon codes to save you some money. So come and join us, and it's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So now let's get to what is in the fun box. So when you open it up, always there's this beautiful purple tissue paper, which my Sookie cat always loves. And oh my goodness, it is chocked full of stuff, and you always get the fun crinkly paper. So I'm going to shut the box, move it out of the way, and we're going to see what we have got to play with this month. So it looks like there is this beautiful Creative Expressions stamp set, and it's got this beautiful bicycle. It says sending happy thoughts here for you. Super fun. Then you will have some frames and tags from Cartabella. Fun. Then you'll get some Bon Voyage papers, and yours may be a little different than mine, but we'll have plenty to play with. Okay. Oh, super cute. From Stamperia, this is decorative chips, and it's this cute bicycle, and it says happy and got some flowers. I love it. Super cute. Then, of course, you've got your kits. You should have 4 kits. So there is that. Now, on this one, this long one may be on the bottom of your box. So make sure you look underneath the paper. And then the very last thing I see is this Bon Voyage clear stamps. Oh, I love this. It says travel, notes, adventure, like a little postage stamp. Love it. Explore. Oh, super cute. So, guys, let's get all of our supplies of what we need for this first card, and let's get started. And guys, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, if you're subscribed to the subscription boxes, then you'll get a QR code to this, or for the next video, to where we go through all of the tutorials on this. So I will be back.